Welcome back, everyone. I hope you're doing great today. And if you are new here, make sure you subscribe to this channel right now, because this is not a normal trading channel. This is a real challenge series where we show everything with full transparency. Before we start, hit the like button. It really supports our work. It motivates us to bring more real daily updates. And it helps YouTube push this video to more traders who need discipline and a solid system. And one more thing, if you have any interest in learning, if you want guidance, if you want to understand how the bot works, or if you want to purchase and get proper support, just message us on WhatsApp. We reply with full respect and step-by-step help. The contact details are always in the description. Now, welcome to the new challenge. Yes, this is a continuation after our last big challenge. A new start after the $5,000 challenge. And today is day 3 of this new challenge. Another day, another session, another chance to build consistent progress. This challenge was selected by our community members, and I really want to thank everyone who participated. You can also join our community. The link is in the description. We did proper voting for the new challenge, and most people said they want us to start from where we ended the last challenge. So we listen, because this is your journey with us. And this will show you the power of our bot in real conditions. So let me explain it clearly. Our new challenge started with $1,000. Yes, we started from $1,000 because the majority of people requested it. And the target is simple. We are aiming to grow this account to $4,000, step by step, with discipline, with smart risk control, and with real execution that you can see on screen. That is exactly why today we continue the challenge on Deriv. And today is day 3 of growing the account from $1,000. This challenge is started from $1,000 on your demand, and we are moving forward with full confidence in our system. Now, let me remind you about the last challenge, because it shows the real performance history of our premium bot. In the last challenge, we grew an account from $10,000 to $17,000 in just 4 days. That is not luck. That is not guessing. That is proper system execution with discipline. And that is why Deriv Dbot is now a name of trust for many traders. And now this new challenge has just started. So you are watching the journey from the beginning again. Now, let's move to day 3 execution. First of all, we started by analyzing the market options. We checked different indices. We watched the movement. We checked the conditions. And at that time, Volatility 10-1s was the better option. And let me clarify one important thing again. The analysis you see in front of you, that is not the full deep analysis. This is only to show you everything is real and transparent. The real detailed analysis we do is always deeper and more technical. But we keep the video simple so everyone can understand. After that, we went to Dbot. Our premium bot was already loaded there. Now we started doing the settings carefully. We selected Volatility 10-1s. We set the stop loss to $260. We set the take profit to $350. And we set the stake size to $32. We double-checked everything, because discipline is not only about trading. Discipline is also about settings. One wrong number can change the whole outcome. So once everything was confirmed, we started the bot, and we let the strategy do its job with controlled execution. This is not about hype. This is about real discipline and real process. And that is why we show everything daily, because transparency builds trust, and trust is built with results that you can see. Now let me announce the results. After launching our premium bot, it took just 16 minutes to smash our take profit target. The bot executed around 131 trades, with 116 wins and 15 losses. And you can see in the video clearly, securing $350 profit from $1,523 balance. Just check today's result. This type of accuracy and execution is not something you find everywhere. And the most important part is, we hit the target with control settings. We respected the stop-loss level. We respected the take profit. And we ended the session with discipline. Day 3 is completed, and the challenge is now in the middle stage. This is where most people lose patience. This is where most people start rushing. But we are not here to rush. We are here to build properly. And I want to say this clearly. This journey is not only about profit. It is about proving consistency. It is about showing real performance step by step. It is about building trust through transparency. And it is about helping the community learn execution and control. So if you are still watching this video till now, comment one word for me. Write Alpha in the comments. So I know you are serious and you are part of this journey. And tell me one more thing. Do you want us to keep the same market tomorrow? Or do you want us to analyze and switch depending on conditions? Write your opinion, because your feedback matters in this challenge series. Now, the next thing coming is important. Withdrawals are coming next. Yes, we will be showing the journey properly. We will keep doing daily updates. And we will keep everything open and real. And if you want to use our premium bot, let me introduce it in a simple way. Deriv Dbot is a premium automation solution designed for Deriv users. It is built with a focus on structured execution and controlled settings. It helps traders follow a system instead of trading emotionally. And most importantly, we provide proper support for setup and guidance. Our official website is www.alphaderivbot.com. You can visit the website to see more information about our services. You will also find ways to contact our team directly. And if you have questions before purchasing, you can message us anytime, and we will explain everything clearly. We are not here to push anything blindly. We are here to build long-term trust. That is why we show challenges. That is why we show real numbers. That is why we focus on discipline and risk control. Day 3 is done, and we are moving forward. The journey continues, step by step, with consistency, with smart execution, and with full transparency for the community. So make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like this